Welcome to London Kids Academy.
Let's learn might sentences for kids. I might go outside. I might eat an apple. I might watch TV. I might take a nap. I might read a book. I might call my friend. I might clean my room. I might help my mom. I might play a game. I might water the plants. I might do my homework. I might open the window. I might write a letter. I might make some tea. I might wear my hat. I might finish my project. I might check my bag. I might look in the mirror. I might study English. I might ask the teacher. I might learn a new word. I might write an essay. I might join the group. I might read a story. I might answer the question. I might listen to music. I might draw a map. I might solve the puzzle. I might finish my project. I might read aloud. I might help my class fellow. I might use the computer. I might paint a picture. I might share my book. I might practice reading. I might try the exercise. I might sit in the front row. I might take notes. I might wash the dishes. I might sweep the floor. I might mop the floor. I might cook some rice. I might peel the potatoes. I might fold the clothes. I might dust the table. I might tidy the shelf. I might take out the trash.